Stop losing money. Candle bar analysis tool. Complete setup and usage guide. Welcome to the complete guide for the candle bar delay monitor, the essential tool every serious trader needs to understand their broker's execution timing. I'm going to show you exactly how this application can transform your trading by revealing the hidden delays that could be costing you profits every single day. Whether you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, understanding bar delay timing is crucial for optimal entry and exit points. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand what bar delay actually means by following the complete life cycle of a candle bar. Looking at this 1-minute chart example, a previous bar ended at 6 hours with a 5-second lag. Now we're in the current bar that started at 6 hours and 5 seconds. During the green remaining time phase, we're counting down the 55 seconds until the expected bar close at 6 hours and 1 minute. This is when the bar should close according to the time frame. Here's the critical moment. 6 hours and 1 minute arrives. This is when traders expect the bar to close and a new one to begin. But watch what happens. Instead of closing immediately, the bar continues for another 2 seconds until 6 hours, 1 minute, and 2 seconds. This 2-second gap between expected close and actual close is what we call bar delay or lag. The actual bar duration becomes 57 seconds instead of the expected 60 seconds, calculated as 60 seconds time frame minus 5 seconds previous lag plus 2 seconds current lag equals 57 seconds. This pattern reveals critical information about market liquidity conditions. Longer delays often mean lower liquidity. Your broker's data feed quality. Consistent patterns show feed reliability. Optimal timing for trade execution. Avoid entries during high delay periods. Weather conditions favor scalping or wider stops. Short delays favor tight strategies. Notice how the delays vary: 5 seconds, then 2 seconds. The candle bar delay monitor captures these precise measurements automatically, building a database that shows you exactly when your broker performs best and worst. This real-time data lets you adapt your strategy moment by moment, tightening stops during low delay periods and widening them when delays increase. Let me show you the powerful features that make this tool indispensable for any serious trader. Universal compatibility. Works on all brokerage desktops, Think or Swim, MT4, MT5, TradingView, any Windows 10 or 11 platform. No special integrations needed. Whether you're trading Forex on MetaTrader, stocks on Think or Swim, or futures on NinjaTrader, the candle bar delay monitor adapts seamlessly to your setup. The beauty is in its simplicity. Our advanced screen capture technology works on any Windows desktop without requiring special APIs or broker integrations. It automatically adapts to any screen resolution and works equally well with web-based platforms and desktop applications. One tool, unlimited compatibility. That's the power of universal design. Precision timing. Accuracy within 0.10 seconds across all time frames from 1 to 30 minutes. Whether you're scalping 1-minute charts or swing trading 30-minute bars, you get laboratory-grade measurements. Smart calibration system. Built-in calibration automatically adjusts motion detection zones for your specific screen setup, resolution, and scaling. Calibration is typically only required after installation and follows a simple 4-part process you can see right here: setup bar region, calibrate, bar diagnostic, and universal correction. Let me show you exactly how motion detection works. This demo is running at 10x speed so you can see the complete process. Watch the status display as it shows the bar remaining time in green, then switches to red when a delay occurs. The 3 motion zone windows reveal everything. The original bar region shows what we're monitoring. The difference window captures the motion when bars shift left, and threshold detection shows when movement exceeds our sensitivity settings. Notice how bar change detected switches from no to yes the instant a new bar forms. That's the precise moment we capture for our delay measurements. Calibration is easily verified by checking the Show Bar Region checkbox. This displays a red overlay showing exactly where the system is watching for bar movement. If the overlay isn't perfectly aligned with your candlesticks, that's when you know calibration needs adjustment. The beauty of our system is real-time adjustment. If motion detection ever fails, simply open bar diagnostic mode and use the offset sliders to move the detection zone up, down, left, or right until it's perfectly positioned. Dual detection modes. Choose automatic detection for hands-free monitoring or manual mode when you want to visually confirm each bar close yourself. Perfect flexibility for any trading style. Comprehensive data logging. Every measurement captures both delay timing and our exclusive bar duration metric, complete with running statistics, min, max, average, and median values for trend analysis. Advanced multi-symbol analytics. Access comprehensive analysis by clicking the Report and Analysis button. This opens your complete data intelligence center. Start by updating the filters to focus your analysis. Select specific symbols from your trading list. Choose date ranges from today to last 30 days. And filter by trading sessions, Asian, European, or US markets. Click Generate Report. You get 3 powerful analysis views. The Text Report tab. The Charts tab delivers 9 different statistical visualizations covering delay patterns, bar duration analysis, and correlation studies that reveal the hidden timing patterns in your data. The Statistics tab gives you comprehensive metric analysis with percentiles, standard deviations, and detailed breakdowns by symbol and time period. Click Save Report to automatically save your analysis with a timestamp. Perfect for tracking how your broker's performance changes over time. And Go to Folder instantly opens your reports directory where you can view, compare, or share current and past reports with colleagues or trading partners. Build your personal library of execution intelligence. Each report becomes a valuable reference for optimizing your trading strategy based on real performance data. Smart Market Indicators. Get real-time assessments that automatically adapt from normal to high liquidity to congested conditions with specific trading recommendations like scalping favorable or add 2-second buffer for each market state. Real-time status display. Watch how the system tracks every bar cycle. This video shows 10 complete cycles running at 10x speed so you can see the full pattern. The display clearly shows the remaining time for the next expected bar close in green, counting down second by second so you know exactly when the bar should close. Then when the expected time passes, but the bar hasn't closed yet, the display switches to red, showing the actual delay time until the bar finally closes. Every delay gets instantly logged to your data table with complete metrics. You can see each measurement being recorded in real time as the cycles progress. All of this runs seamlessly in the background while you trade, building your personal database of execution intelligence that no other tool provides. Here's a unique feature you won't find anywhere else: bar duration measurement. Bar duration calculates the actual time span between consecutive bars using this formula. Expected time frame duration minus previous bars delay plus current bars delay. This tells you whether bars are forming faster or slower than expected. Shorter durations often signal rushed closures. Wait for better entries. Longer durations indicate congestion. Prepare for potential volatility. Use bar duration patterns to adjust stop distances based on volatility. Time entries more precisely. Compare broker performance. Identify optimal trading windows. Setting up the candle bar delay monitor is a one-time process that ensures accurate detection on your specific system. Setup is required after installation to calibrate the application for your screen resolution, scaling, and trading platform layout. The purpose is to establish precise motion detection zones that will reliably identify bar changes on your charts. Step 1. Universal Correction. Start by clicking Universal Correction to verify your system settings. Confirm that your screen resolution and scaling factor were properly detected. If the auto detection isn't correct, manually set your actual resolution and Windows scaling percentage. Click Calculate to compute the optimal settings, then apply Calculated to save them. Step 2. Screen Coordinate Calibration. Next, click Calibrate for automatic coordinate alignment. Click Start Calibration, and a full screen crosshair appears. Click exactly on the center of the crosshair. This allows the system to calculate any needed adjustments for your specific screen resolution and scaling configuration. Step 3. Bar Region Setup. Click Setup Bar Region to define your monitoring area. Click Select and choose the area of your chart where bar changes occur, typically on the left side of the screen where new bars form. Click and drag to create a rectangle around the area that visually changes when new bars appear. The red overlay shows exactly what the application will monitor for motion. Step 4. Fine-tuning with diagnostics. Finally, click Bar Diagnostic to verify detection accuracy. The diagnostic tool shows you 4 critical elements: the original bar region capture, motion difference detection, threshold sensitivity settings, and real-time statistics. Adjust the threshold slider until bar changes trigger detection reliably. Lower values detect smaller changes and are more sensitive, while higher values require bigger movements before triggering. Fine-tune positioning with the X and Y offset sliders if needed. The red overlay updates in real time, so you can see exactly where the application is monitoring and make precise adjustments until detection is perfect. Once these 4 steps are complete, your system is calibrated for professional-grade accuracy, and you're ready to start monitoring with confidence. Enter your symbol and time frame in the Trading Settings section. The application converts symbols to uppercase automatically and supports time frames from 1 to 30 minutes. Press the Start Monitoring button. Choose your monitoring mode. Automatic. The application detects bar changes visually. Manual bar close. You click a button when you see bars close. Watch the status indicator. Green, remaining time, counting down to expected bar close. Red, lag. A delay is currently occurring. Gray, idle. Monitoring is stopped. The market condition indicators update automatically. Market condition, from normal to congested. Trading strategy, specific recommendations like scalping favorable or wider spreads. Recommendations, actionable advice like add 2 seconds buffer or half size, double spread. Every detected delay gets logged with complete statistics, building your historical database for pattern analysis. Generate comprehensive text reports with summary statistics, pattern analysis by time and symbol, market state assessments, volatility period identification, specific trading strategy recommendations. 9 different visualizations help you identify patterns. Delay distribution histograms, symbol comparison box plots, hourly and daily trend analysis, heat maps showing optimal trading times, bar duration analysis, correlation between delays and durations. The Statistics tab provides detailed metrics, including percentiles, coverage analysis, and deviation measurements from expected bar durations. Here's how to use this data to improve your trading. For scalpers, when you see high liquidity and scalping favorable conditions with sub-second delays, use tighter stops and faster execution. For swing traders, during congested periods with high delays, use limit orders and wider spreads to account for execution lag. Session planning. Use the hourly analysis to identify your broker's best and worst performance times. Schedule important trades during low delay periods. Entry timing. Shorter bar durations suggest rushed conditions. Wait for better setups. Longer durations often precede volatility. Prepare for bigger moves. Real-time adaptation. When conditions change from normal to variable liquidity, the app suggests cautious entry. Immediately adjust your position sizing and stop placement. The Candle Bar Delay Monitor gives you unprecedented insight into your broker's execution timing, data that can dramatically improve your trading results. Whether you're looking to optimize scalping strategies, improve swing trade timing, or simply understand your trading environment better, this tool provides the precise measurements you need. Download the Candle Bar Delay Monitor at werner-tools.com. The application is $10 and includes all the features we've covered today. If this video helped you understand how bar delay analysis can improve your trading, please like and subscribe for more professional trading tools and techniques. Start measuring your delays today. Your trading account will thank you.